Welcome, fitness enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your muscle gains to the next level? This 7-day meal plan is your roadmap to a stronger, more powerful you. Let's face it, building muscle isn't just about hitting the gym, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. This plan is all about maximizing your muscle-building potential with easy-to-prepare meals packed with the good stuff your body needs to grow. Forget complicated recipes and expensive ingredients. We're keeping it real and achievable. This plan focuses on practical meals that fit your busy lifestyle. We'll break down each day's menu, highlighting the benefits of each meal component, from protein powerhouses to energy-boosting carbs and essential healthy fats. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the plan, stay hydrated, and watch your muscles respond. Ready to become the strongest version of yourself? Let's get started. This isn't just a meal plan, it's a commitment to a healthier, more powerful you. Get ready to experience the incredible benefits of proper nutrition for muscle growth. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. This 7-day plan is designed to provide your body with the building blocks for muscle growth. We've carefully curated each meal to ensure you're getting the optimal balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates provide the energy you need for intense workouts, and healthy fats support overall health and hormone production. Each day, you'll enjoy delicious and easy-to-prepare meals that will keep you satisfied and energized. We've included a variety of foods to ensure you're getting a wide range of essential nutrients. From hearty breakfasts that kickstart your day to post-workout meals that replenish your energy stores, this plan has got you covered. This plan is not about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods to achieve your fitness goals. Remember, building muscle is a journey, and this meal plan is your trusted guide. Let's make these gains happen. The first 3 days are all about setting the foundation for muscle growth. We'll focus on providing your body with ample protein and energy to power through your workouts and kickstart the recovery process. Day 1. Breakfast will be oatmeal with whey protein and berries. For lunch, enjoy chicken breast with brown rice and steamed vegetables. Dinner will be salmon with quinoa and asparagus. Day 2. Start your morning with Greek yogurt with granola and fruit. Lunch will be turkey chili with whole wheat bread. Dinner features lean ground beef stir-fry with brown rice noodles and mixed vegetables. Day 3. Breakfast includes scrambled eggs with whole wheat toast and avocado. Lunch is a tuna salad sandwich on whole wheat bread. And for dinner, chicken breast with sweet potato and broccoli. Section 4, Day 4 to 7, Maximizing Growth. As we move into days 4 to 7, we'll continue to prioritize protein intake while incorporating strategic carbohydrate cycling. This means varying your carb intake to optimize muscle glycogen replenishment and promote muscle protein synthesis. Day 4, Breakfast. Protein pancakes with banana and nuts. Lunch. Chicken breast salad with mixed greens and quinoa. Dinner, steak with baked potato and green beans. Day 5, breakfast, smoothie with whey protein, spinach and berries. Lunch, leftover steak with brown rice and steamed vegetables. Dinner, salmon with roasted vegetables and sweet potato. Day 6, breakfast, eggs with sausage and whole wheat toast. Lunch, turkey meatballs with whole wheat pasta and marinara sauce. Dinner, chicken stir-fry with brown rice noodles and mixed vegetables. Day 7, breakfast, oatmeal with whey protein and berries. Lunch, tuna salad with mixed greens and avocado. Dinner, pizza with whole wheat crust, lean ground beef and vegetables. Section 5. Stay motivated, stay strong. Building muscle is a journey, and staying motivated is key to achieving your goals. Here are a few tips to keep you on track. Set realistic goals. Don't expect overnight transformations. Focus on making small, sustainable changes to your diet and exercise routine. Find a workout buddy. Having a training partner can make workouts more enjoyable and help you stay accountable. Track your progress. Monitor your weight, body fat percentage, and strength gains to stay motivated and see how far you've come. Celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge your hard work and reward yourself for reaching milestones. This could be anything from buying yourself a new workout outfit to enjoying a healthy cheat meal. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling to stay motivated or need guidance, reach out to a personal trainer or nutritionist for support. Section 6. Your path to a stronger you. This 7-day meal plan is just the beginning of your muscle building journey. Remember, consistency is crucial. Stick to the plan, listen to your body, and don't be afraid to adjust it based on your individual needs and preferences. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you're setting the stage for incredible muscle growth and overall health improvements. You'll not only look better, but you'll also feel stronger, more energized, and more confident. If you're ready to take your fitness to the next level, this meal plan is your guide. Start today and experience the amazing transformation that comes with nourishing your body for optimal muscle growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness content to support your journey.